he is doing the right thing, even if nobody is watching.
Tapos kayo, wait until the next station will be finished. Tapos kayo
RN, so we recognize those RN, natin yung mga, so this is the new. Thank you. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Ano kita ka na? Papanahan na kita tayo.
Wala naman ang pag-ulang tayo. Thank you so much. Choices of words na ginagamit. Words always matter. But you outside of your department, how should you respond? Hey, that's not my second. Or B, I hear somebody
Basta nagilagay ka sa ano naman eh. And then sa game na karon is matag ko scenario. And after that,
With Dr. Pascual, is that correct? So, yun yung mga right terms na ginagamit. The communication time marks. 18 seconds, the exact moment at typical.
Documentation.
magtuon na lang kay apply lang telepono makagdo ka na sa klinik sa doktor.
Tapos pagkabot sa pharmacy.
So, next
Nalipad
to
sila kung paano
explain your scenario, number one, of course, the chosen one.
Kanina makontak ka kamo na.
So, ginawa na mo na nagit. Try na rin pa-wait.